Fulfilling a Dream Trip to New York City by Tatiana Ascanio Pacheco. My name is Tatiana Ascanio Pacheco, and today I want to express and tell you how my trip to New York City was during my previous vacation. I want to say that it was the best experience in my life. It is a city full of so many cultures, history, and magic, and unique places in the world. It is a city that allows you to enjoy its landscapes and great teaching every day. To be next to the family and being able to share those great experience, and those are the best I was able to experience on a trip. I have been to many wonderful places, such as Central Park. This park is the Grand Lawn of Manhattan, and it is immense, full of viewpoints, statues, and gardens. Brooklyn Beach is the most photogenic and wonderful bridge I have ever seen. Museums in New York where you can appreciate great cultures from the past and history of all kinds, in addition to great unique learning. And the famous Statues of Liberty is one of the best known monuments in the world and the most famous to visit in New York. Knowing each of these places doesn't have delayed words to tell how this experience was, and the days aren't enough to understand how diverse and wonderful this place is. I eat in many shoes as McDonald's, Buffalo, and many more. The typical foods of the region of the world. I shared their lifestyle and their daily life. I keep in my mind wonderful moments of a trip that, although it already happening, give me many teaching and story to my life. Before the trip, I can say that I was different person since knowing a new culture, my expectation of the world changed. Thank you.